Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Nova 12i to an Android device. Begin by opening App Gallery on HUAWEI and Play Store on an Android. Then download this app called Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, open it. Now it's time to set it up. Let's start with HUAWEI. Firstly, I accept, confirm, then continue, and allow. On an Android though, you need to hit I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your Android screen. It's time to select Send at the bottom left corner of HUAWEI and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on HUAWEI, use all of those categories at the top and select all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to pick one of those connection ways. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to input this key, click on Input Keys section and type in all of those numbers before they expire. Then select Receive and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!